There was a moment in my life when I felt completely stuck. I hated waking up every single morning knowing my day was already planned for me, working long hours, barely making enough money, and feeling like no matter how hard I worked, I was getting nowhere. I remember sitting in my tiny apartment staring at my bank account thinking, is this it? Is this all life has to offer? I wanted freedom. I wanted control, but I had no idea how to get it. Then I found Forex, and at first I thought it was just another online scam. But what I didn't know was that this one decision would completely change my life. If you ever wanted more but didn't know how to get it, then keep watching, because today I'm going to tell you exactly how Forex took me from feeling trapped to being financially free. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Boris and today I want to share a very personal story, how Forex completely changed my life. If you're watching this, maybe you're struggling, maybe you're just starting, or maybe you're looking for a way to break free from 9 to 5 grind. Trust me, I've been there. I know what it feels like to dream of financial freedom but not know where to start. So grab a coffee, relax, and let me tell you my personal journey. From struggling to success, from doubt to confidence, and from losing money to growing my trading account step by step. Chapter 1. The beginning. Before Forex, I had zero knowledge about trading. I didn't grow up around wealthy people. I didn't study finance. I was just a normal guy looking for a way out. One day, I stumbled upon a YouTube video about Forex trading. It sounded simple. Buy low, sell high, and make money. I thought to myself, this can't be that hard, right? I opened a demo account, placed a few trades, and I was making fake money very easy. My confidence skyrocketed. I thought I had figured it out. So what did I do? I deposited real money. And guess what happened? I lost almost everything. I made all the classic beginner mistakes: over trading, chasing losses, trading with emotions, and risking too much on a single trade. I remember one specific night I had placed a huge trade thinking it was a sure win. I went to bed excited about how much money I'd make by the morning. When I woke up, my account was wiped out. To be honest, I felt sick. I thought maybe this isn't for me. Maybe I should quit, but something inside me refused to give up. I realized the problem wasn't Forex, the problem was me. Chapter 2. The breakthrough moment. The turning point came when I stopped gambling and started treating Forex like a real business. I started asking myself, why do some people succeed in trading while others fail? What are the top traders doing differently? That's when I made 3 key decisions that changed everything. Number 1, I found a mentor. Instead of trying to figure it out all alone, I started learning from someone who has already been successful. I followed their strategies, their mindset, and their risk management. Up to this day, he is the guy in charge of signals in my group, risk management, and all the mentorship. He became my best friend, and I was testing him for 1 year before I convinced him to open free the 1FX trading group. By the way, if you want to join and copy what other 400 people and I are doing every single day with their own money, DM me on my social media accounts. Number 2, I stopped looking for quick money. I realized that Forex isn't about getting rich overnight. It's a skill, just like learning to play an instrument or a sport. You don't become great instantly. So instead of trying to make $1,000 per day, I focused on making small, consistent profits over time. For 2 years, I refilled my account with $500 and every single profit were left on the account. And guess what? After 2 years, I had over 20k capital. Today, 5 years later, I have 200k account and few funded accounts that are allowing me to make between 10 to 20k per month. Number 3, I created a trading plan. I wrote down exact rules for when I would enter and exit trades, how much risk I would take, and what I would do if things went wrong. Suddenly, everything changed. I wasn't chasing trades anymore. I wasn't trading out of fear or greed. I was in control. And then I started seeing consistent profits for the first time in my life. Chapter 3. How Forex changed my life completely. The moment I saw Forex was working for me, my entire life completely changed. More freedom. I no longer had to wake up early for a job I hated. I could trade from anywhere in the world. Number 2. More confidence. I didn't have to depend on a boss to decide my income. I was the one in control. More opportunities. I started thinking bigger, investing, growing my capital and helping others. I also bought my dream car and I created the most transparent trading community globally speaking. But let me tell you the real reason Forex changed my life. It's not just about the money, it's about the mindset shift. When you start making money from your own skills, your own knowledge, you stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an investor. You stop chasing money, you start creating wealth. Of course, Forex isn't always easy. I still had losing days. There were times I wanted to quit, but the difference now, I have a system, I have confidence, and I knew that as long as I follow my plan, I would always win in the long run. Chapter 4. How you can do it too. So if you're watching this and wondering, can Forex change my life too? The answer is of course it can. Absolutely yes. Only and only if you do it the right way. Tip number 1. Learn before you trade. Don't waste money guessing. Learn from people who are already successful in trading. Tip number 2. Have a risk management plan. If you risk too much, you will lose everything. Protect your capital at all costs. And tip number 3. Be patient. Success in Forex is about consistency, not luck. And here's something really important. You don't have to do it alone. I have a free Telegram group where I share real market analysis, trading ideas and strategies. If you want to be part of a trading community, check the link in the description below this video. Forex changed my life because I treated it seriously, and if you do the same, it can change yours too. Smash that like button if this video helped you and subscribe for more content like this one. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge in trading and especially Forex? Let's talk about it down in the comments. Thank you for watching, and remember, your success is in your hands. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!